Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mikali, aka Yellow Yellow. So guys, if it's your first time to watch me, the guys who've always been supporting me, liking, everyone, guys, thank you so much and welcome in today's video. So guys, in today's video, it's a tricky one. I've been contemplating whether I do it or not, yeah, because I was feeling as if I'm not ready. A house tour. Is it house tour? Is it apartment tour? Either way, yeah, you get what I'm saying, house tour. So let me just do a bit of explaining before we start. First, I've been feeling the house is not perfect, like the way I want it to be. So I was like, I'm not going to do it till when it's perfect. But I think it might take a long time before we do that. So I want you guys to join me in the journey. Like after this video, we'll be having some segments where we'll be doing like decoration for the house, other things, just small improvements, so as we can. I just want you guys to join me in the journey. I thought it will be better if you guys join me in the journey than just bringing the final outcome. I think that's better. Oh yes, and I do videos relating, I forgot to say this when I was starting, fashion, lifestyle, and traveling. And I missed traveling, guys, because I'm doing this during quarantine, but travel vlogs will be up soon once we resume. Yes. So guys, this is like the main entrance for the house. Yeah, let me lock. So when you enter, definitely there's the door curtain and there's this small mat whereby when you enter, you just know a mat is necessary in the house. So once you enter, like, this is an empty space. I don't know. So my TV is behind my seats, guys. When you enter, like, the first thing, okay, I don't know what the first thing you'll see, maybe seats or the TV. My TV is behind my seats. That's what I was saying. I have to do some explanation. If you came recently, the house wasn't arranged like this. If you've watched several of my videos, like, I reshuffled where the seats were and where the dining was. I reshuffled. So I'm here to take the television TV to the right place. Yeah, I'll show you in a few. So too much of explaining. So when you enter, this is where the TV is, and there's a lot of space, guys, here, like too much steps. I'll tell you what we will do with this space in a few. Yeah, so the TV, the router, and I have a flower here. Yeah, I have a flower. I like flowers, but I've not gotten time to go and buy more flowers because I need like the larger ones. Yeah, so this space, guys, the reason why I shuffled the house is because I want to use this space as an office. I want to make an office on this space, and we will do it with you guys in the channel. So when you enter the house, you walk, you pass that runway. I think, come here. So this is my dining set. The dining set, and my dining table. Either way, guys, but this is my dining table. It has just 4 seats. You know, single people living alone, no need of many seats. Yeah. Oh guys, and I have 2 very large windows in the house, and guys, these windows are just life. They bring light. You can just see, like, I enjoy having like the space in here. Then we have another flower over here that I've placed here. I normally place my tripod over here because recently I'm doing too much of TikTok videos. Not actually me alone, even Caxton. I think you guys have met Caxton before. He's my younger brother. Yeah, we do too much of TikTok, so we just prefer the stand to be here, ready for moves for TikTok. So I think now you can get a rough idea. This is the space where my seats were, so the TV was at the right place. Yeah, and so I just decided to bring the dining table where it belongs because of this, and I felt like the space around here is okay, like we can really maneuver easily. So I think that's all. So let's just come now to my sitting area. Now this is it's a 7-seater. Yeah, this is a 7-seater. I normally use this place to place my games. Here there's Monopoly. I don't know where the Scrabble is, but on the other side we have cards. I'll show you. Yeah, this is just the 7-seater. and like a small carpet here. Nothing much. What else is there? I got this seat from Ali Seats. Guys, they have nice seats, but the problem is you can't just take photos for that place. Like, they don't allow photos, but I will leave the contacts down below for Ali Seats. I also forgot my dining table, guys. I got it from OLX. That was my first OLX purchase. I was actually scared of being conned. Though I didn't pay, when they delivered, that's when I paid. And guys, what I saw is what I got. Thank you to my dealer. He's located at Ngong Road, but I think I lost the contacts for that. Yeah. So this is now my living area. Yeah. Where the dining used to be previously. I think now you can... I think, guys, you're getting the picture. So just when you come ahead, I'll say these two, I don't know what these things are called, but I just use them to place my cards, remotes, just hizo vitu ndogo ndogo. Yeah. So guys, this is the wall where I'm supposed to bring the TV, so as to be like the living room. Then where the TV is to be the, what is it called? My office. Yeah. So we're going to be, guys, just keep waiting for the next videos. If this is your type of videos that you like to see decorating, just keep it here, guys, because I'll be posting how I'm going to do it, and we will start by painting. The reason why my TV is not here, it's because I want to repaint to white. Reason, I don't know, I just feel I want to repaint the walls to white. Actually, I just feel like that. Yeah. And I have another flower here, guys. I like flowers, but I've never bought the large flowers, so that's my next investment. I need flowers. Like, these are flowers. Oh, plants. Sorry, guys, I've been saying flowers, plants. Yeah. So I think this is a spacious lounge for my people to get entertained. At the meantime, I watch my TV. It's so easy, guys. It's not something difficult. I just sit here, and I rarely watch my TV, guys. Like, rarely watch my TV. So it's not like a burden for me being there. But I wanted to come on this other wall, so as things can get into place. So here where the TV is, we have two doors. One going to this side. We'll come back to this later. And we have one that's going to the kitchen. Come with me. Yeah. So guys, this is where the kitchen is. Yeah. And let's see. We'll start with my cooking area. You guys have seen this cooker before. So that's my cooker. My sufurias, I think I need another set. I'll have to look for that. My rack where I place my dishes after I wash. Then these are my storage cabinets. What are they called? Drawers. So I place my dishes over here. Yeah, and we have, what else is here? We have, this is just tissue. What is the name of that general thing? We have tissue, soap, all those things over here, and down here my glasses. Yeah, and then this is extra storage. I place my spoons over here. I actually organize my spoons. Yeah, over here. What now from then, guys, I have this small flower. I normally place it here. I bought it from Quickmart at 100 Kenya shillings. Yeah, and guys, I don't know, I don't have a curtain in my kitchen. Like, I've just been living without a curtain in my kitchen, and curtain. Anyway, we'll have to put a curtain on that wall. So on the pantry area where we need to do a lot of work, that's why I'm telling you guys, you have to keep it locked here to just see the transformation that I'm going to do to this pantry. But at the meantime, this is how it looks like. Yeah, my two spices, just over here. Oh, we need to refill this rice. Yeah, what else? Yeah, basically that's it. There's nothing much. And then from there we have the balcony, the kitchen balcony, where we place our rug and dustbin. Yeah, there's not much view actually over here. After this washing area, laundry area, I don't know what's the there's another space over here where I think this is where maybe the rack should be. Yeah, and then there's like entrance to gate A and to gate A and to gate B. So gate B, you guys are not going to be shown inside. Like, I mean to this other bedroom, because this place, like, it's really full. I have some stock I was opening, so I don't want to like really the view is not really attractive because shoes are all over. I was just trying to sort things. So let's go to the main bedroom. So this is the bedroom. Guys, you've seen my bedroom before when I was arranging my closet. Yeah, so just come in. So when you enter, this is the first view where my bed is. And I have like a small carpet over here. It's pink in color. Yeah. And there's too much space still in this bedroom. After we lock it like that, there's still too much space. So still in my bathroom, this house is master and suite. That's the name they use. Yeah. So this is my bathroom, the toilet. So this is the bathroom. This is my bathroom alone. Yeah, you just enter. There's a toilet here and there's still a shower area. It's really big, guys. Really big. And I have a sink and I have still a mirror at the same time. Yeah, and guys, I like this bathroom. It's just life. Like I can shower here for 30 minutes, 20 minutes, because guys, it's so big. Like you can shower here like 5 people. Even I think 6, even 7. Like guys, it's so big. Yeah. So that's the bathroom, and I have like a small mat here as you enter and leave the bathroom. Okay, my toenails. Yeah. So this is where the main thing is deposited. Yeah. From there we have my wardrobe. You guys have seen my wardrobe before. It's just a normal wardrobe, just like that, with drawers here down. Yeah. I normally place my umbrella over here, especially right now because it's the rainy season. Because of what? I don't want to like, you see, him too, when it's near, I can grab it anytime. Guys, let's go back first to the bed. I forgot to say, I bought this bed from, where did I buy it? I bought it from Tuskys, I think. Yeah, I bought it from Tuskys. Yeah, they were on offer. That's when I bought it. I'm an offer girl. Offer girl. Yeah. So basically, that's the wardrobes. Up is just more space. And guys, I have a balcony. There's too much sun. I have a balcony to sun. I can wake up in the morning. So this is my balcony, guys. I hope the video is not too bright. Yeah. And the balcony, guys, is quite large, like extremely large. I wish I can just figure out what to do with this balcony. Like I need to utilize it. It's extremely large. There's too much sun, guys, and I have a problem. Yeah, that's the balcony basically. Yeah, and guys, I forgot to tell you something about some of my curtains, the ones which are matching. I got them from Isili. Yeah, I'll just make a full view again for the house you just see. So as if you're interested also in the curtains, I have the contacts for that guy. Yeah. And yeah, let me just show you the house again in whole. Then we wind up